Okay, well get up. You gotta go now.
What?
The truck's leaving. To the back.
I don't want to wear a hat.
You don't want to wear your shark hat?
Mm.
Mm. Thank you, God, for giving me this wonderful baby. You're a wonderful baby. Come on. So I can make up this bed. Oh, I actually like this hat for myself. Moving like my cowboy boots, moving with the Drews, and we going to Disney like a boo hoo 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 hoo. We are taking a road trip, okay? We're taking a road trip. We got our hats.
I don't got my hat.
Go get your hats. We need the hats, dude. And get your Crocs. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The lines are going to be long. You're taking all day. This child. Packing up my ring light now. We did not want to fly because it's spring break. And usually like a ticket is like $150, $400 if you do first class. But now they want like $1,013 just for a flight. So we're gonna drive this little 6 hours and have a little road trip, stop and get peaches and all types of stuff. So yeah, walking through the driveway to the trip. Good morning. Well, no, let's start over. Girl, the cold in my eye. I ain't did nothing but literally come to the restroom and say good morning. Let's clear it up, y'all. Let's clear it up. Hold on, let's be right back. Happy Tuesday. Hi guys. So as you guys know, we are officially in Kissimmee to go to the theme parks, whatever theme parks we can get into. So we're here. I just wanted to start the vlog off this morning and actually in my son's suite. Y'all, I came over here because someone's in my restroom. So I'm over here with him, y'all. Okay, this is each room basically has their own living room and kitchen. This is the little mutual hall space, but we booked both rooms just so we can have our own little wing. This is on that side. This is the full kitchen. The living room right here. And this room with the restroom. So at this vacation spot is, which is mainly like a timeshare. You can own properties anywhere, you guys, but it's like mainly a timeshare. But recently they have started allowing you to sell off your your timeshare weeks with Airbnb. So I personally do have Airbnb property in Orlando. This is not one. This is from a friend of ours who stays in Utah. So he let us use his villa, and we just got both wings, and he gave us 2 free days under his timeshare because this was a last minute trip. So he had already our properties, which are in Clearwater, Kissimmee, and Orlando. Y'all don't quote me. were booked already, so I didn't have an option, but we came here and I don't mind it. It's nice. You know, it's just a Disney vacation because we're really coming to go to the theme parks and to eat. I want to go to Epcot. I watched Jay vlogs. They went to Epcot and they ate. Both sides have a patio. His units are on the 7th floor. So y'all just let me know if you want to book for your family. It's really affordable, my friend. So hopefully, you know, if any of you guys want to use, you know, your taxes or stimulus to go on a vacation, hit me up and we can possibly let you get in on my end with New Res or with my mutual partner, y'all. Look at me. Yeah, anyway, I just want families to travel regardless. So just let me know and I'll hook you and link you with my friend if you like this unit. Or for New Res, you can just go to the website and see what's available. So all right guys, I'll be back when I get a little bit dressed and see you soon. What? You want to help me open this?
Yes.
Mom life. I already washed it before I put it in the fridge. So it should be good. All right.
Thank you.
So good thing it is full kitchen, but you guys can see the appliances are clean. They're just not modern like the newest thing, but it's a Disney vacation. Like I said, guys, go ahead, let me know so we can keep some money in my friend's pocket, as well as New Res is if you like our properties better. I'm just looking for what we about to do. Who knows this feeling of having to go through all this stuff. I really want to go to Discover Cove. I don't know where you swim with the animals, but damn, Moses can't swim. Excuse me, Aqua Tots. My child been in there long enough. We can't even go under the snorkeling today.
I'm taught.
You can't snorkel, Snugger.
I'm taught.
Oh, you might can snorkel. Dang, Snugger. You might need to grow up. Not grow up like that. You need to do something. Snugger, look at this Snugs.
I don't
Learn how to, when you go to swim class.
learn how to just zip up your mouth. I knew you were about to say, learn zip your mouth up.
Come here. Did you wiggle that tooth? Let me see. Did you wiggle that tooth? Moses, go and take it out. Go and take it out. Go and take the tooth out.
Wait.
He just did that shit.
Why you telling him to do that?
It just hurt.
I ain't thinking we're gonna do it, but he got to take it out before 2 weeks, cause they said that is creating build up on that back tooth.
But when you just say take it out, alright. When we get it out, I'll pop that bitch right up out his mouth. He gonna cry for some time.
No, I'm gonna let Snugger do it on his
Slap.
own.
Let
I'm
me
thinking
slap
about
you
when
right
I
now.
was little, what I did.
If you slap me, dude, this tooth will just straight out come off.
Calm down, calm down, calm
It
down.
will.
This really is our Universal Orlando Resort because they will not show us anything decent.
I hit it from the back, I put her hair, fuck up her closer. Let's go. Rock, 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 rock.
I'm global.
Mommy, do you want me to climb?
I'm gonna put the clips together, y'all. I'm putting it together, y'all. Y'all, who else sleeps with the AC on but turns the heat on during the day, y'all? It's me. I'm the bipolar one. At nighttime and sleep, I need it to be cold. Blast me to Antarctica. Y'all hear my voice. Who family takes the stairwell instead of the elevators? It's very easy. Give you a lot of airspace. And it's the less traveled way. And it's exercise. So you just take the stairs from time to time. Unless we got like luggage. So, oh, this one. Oh, this is his truck. Like, is that a car? Not.
Our car's so funny.
A car right by the steps. We took the pickup truck. I need some lotion.
No, you don't.
Let's go. I want me to say that word.
I'm talking, Daddy.
You ain't even sport coffee.
I'm eating
Sport
coffee.
coffee. Yeah.
Daddy, you don't have your seatbelt on.
Mind your business, ugly man.
Mommy, this was ugly, man.
Thank me later. If you guys can find the spray, get it. It's so good. Like a whore came to get this. I usually can find it in Florida. Georgia, not so much. I'm just about to check out, y'all. Okay. Need it back? Mm-mm. Oh.
Oh, okay. You want to change it?
No, it's okay.
The next time you change it. Okay?
All right, thank you. I love to pull out this camera in front of people so they can back the fuck back. Like, I'm seeing vloggers get social distancing. Just pull out your camera. You'll get the F back. You'll get the F back. It's just becoming so easy because I don't want people all on me. Just pull out the camera
Mommy.
and they'll get the F back. Hi guys, so we're about to go through temperature screenings to get into Disney Springs to go have some food to eat and things like that.
What are we about to see?
What are we about to see?
Mickey Mouse.
I don't know if this is gonna be here, but
Somebody will wear a
Yes.
costume of them.
we're excited. These temperature screens, these are the new precautions at Disney 2021. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
To go?
Thank you.
Phone office today.
You said, excuse me?
Make sure your phone office is a secured area.
Oh,
Okay, to take video, okay?
okay. Y'all security? I got my purse and stuff. So I'm going through secondary screening for the purse. Hey, how are you? I guess so. Okay.
Excellent. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, come on. Oh, excuse us. Okay, guys, we got through screening. They did have gloves on though. So we
about to see a lot of fun stuff.
We have arrived, guys.
Yeah.
We are officially at Disney Springs.
Guys, look at them. Look at them. They got balloons.
Yeah, I left my hand sanitizer, but luckily they got these sanitizer stations everywhere.
And also,
This is how it looks.
I
don't know.
and also,
Yeah, I hope y'all saw that.
Things today. Just a few reminders. Face coverings and mouth and be worn at all times, except when
Here
actively eating or
at the
drinking while
entrance.
stationary.
Hey guys, so we are currently at Disney Springs and we decided to eat at the boathouse. They got like seafood and stuff. We couldn't really like mentally wrap our minds around the map and how it was, so we just walked around until we found something. So we're here in on the water. I'll show you my food when it gets here. So guys, my food came and I got these shrimps. That's pretty much all I got. And this is the kids meal and this is like a burger. Oh, I got a cup of soup too. So I'm just eating these shrimp. Hey guys, so we made it to Everglades. Donuts.
what is that? And also, we're going back in the car.
Hi guys, it's me, Heaven the Coach, here on my YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday and I just finished editing Monday and Tuesday. I wanted to come and end the vlog to let you guys know that I am going to continue to vlog this experience, as well as thumbs up and subscribe and tell a friend to watch my channel, Heaven on Earth. In my next video, I will be revealing the parks that we will be going to. And comment down below if there's something that you want us to do, see, or experience while we're here. And yeah, I love you guys with the love of God. And tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm in my son's room. We're just hanging out this morning. So yeah, see you guys and thank you guys so much for your support.